A guessing game. Listen carefully and learn to play this game. Teacher, please pay attention. Today we are going to play a guessing game. I'll give a card to each one of you. Look at the picture and the word on your card. Don't show it to the others. It's a fruit. Do you know the English word for it? Good. Now that's your name. Make groups of 5. Each group will sit down in a circle. Now let your friends guess your name. If they can't, show them your card and tell them what you are. Ready? I am a lemon. I am an orange. I am a banana. I am a mango. I am a guava.